Okay, this is going to be one off delay timer, and it's a real simple deal. All you've got to do is really hook up one thing. So let's go ahead and get our input put on there, which we'll use input 1, and then our off delay timer, which is right here. Hook it up, and then we're going to have an output, which in this case I've hooked up a fan on our PLC, so we're going to try that. Let's go back to our output and add it. Real simple. There's not much to it. Right there. And then we're going to change this to Q4 because that's where I've got the fan hooked up at. Click OK, and then download it to the PLC. Off delay timers are a lot harder to do in motor controls. This is real simple. All right, change it to stop. Change it to run. And we're going to, there's our fan right here. Hit our button, our push button. And our fan's going to run as long as we've got the button pushed, but when we release the button, it's going to start timing to where it turns off. Okay. Now, I also have rigged up a fancier off delay timer, and what this has got is an on push button, a reset push button, a fan, and it's also got a backlight display with a white backlight and also a green light that's on at the same time. Once again, I've set up message text on here, and on the screen you're going to have a spot where it tells you when you push the button, when your output is on, and how much time is remaining on your off delay, and also the date and time and my name on there. So there's a lot of good stuff on that message text, and I would like for you guys to put together something similar, a little bit fancier than just a plain old off delay timer. I'm going to download that to the PLC. Click OK. Now I'm going to go online with it. And the neat thing about this is you can hook up more than one output to the program. So here's our backlight. Our white backlight shows up, our light shows up, our fan kicks on, if you can see that. And then we've got the off delay for 5 seconds and the countdown timer as well. So play around with this and see how much stuff that you can add to it to make it better.